Oh, the head drama. Check out these stories on our new and improved website, dailybuzznow.com. And do me a favor, pass the aspirin while you're at it.
Oh, the head drama. Yes, when it comes to friends, you feel comfortable with asking them to do various things. It depends on your relationship and how close you are.
Yeah, girl, help me out with this. Pick this up for me if you don't mind.
Exactly. You know what I mean? Yeah. But there are some things you cannot ask your friends.
Wait. I thought we were past the era of don't ask, don't tell. I thought we were past that now. You just said this
We're
morning.
almost there. We're almost
There's
there.
a few. There's a few in this list that I don't think you want to go there.
Here's the first one. Babysit your sick children. Now, I don't mind babysitting my neighbors' sick kids. I mean, it just kind of depends on how sick they are and, you know, if they're contagious, I guess.
We're talking leprosy or common cold here? What are we
Exactly.
talking
If they've got the sniffles, I don't mind.
And it depends on what you have to do, too, the urgency of your situation. Yeah. If you just need to go run some errands, well, take care of your own kids.
Also, don't ask your friend to give you a Brazilian.
That's the one I'm talking about. That's a little too much. It's like, girl, I love you, but there are places that will do that for you.
White to get right there in the back. Can you help me out, Andy?
No, not a chance.
Mitch and I asked Mitch to go with me to Brazil one time. And that
It was
close.
such a great time.
Did you really just cock your leg up there and ask for a...
Oh man, I got a crank in my calf. I got sea legs. I gotta keep them nice and
You are scaring me. You are scaring me. All right.
Andy, can you help me bring my leg down? I can Thank you, sir.
Oh my gosh.
Very nice.
You can't ask your friend to help you lower
With the
your leg.
Brazilian.
I
Okay,
love you,
also,
Mitch.
do
You are too
not
much.
loan your friend large sums of money.
Yeah, you're never gonna get it back.
Do that.
Unless they need a Brazilian.
There you go.
Oh my gosh. Don't go on vacation. That's way out of your budget. Don't ask for that. Attend a wedding on a holiday. And that, of course, brings us to our question. What are the things you should not ask your friend to do? What are the things you've asked your friend to do that you probably shouldn't have? DailyBuzzNow.com is the place to go.